How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as messages and story replies. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see the option labeled as show active status. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, if this option is toggled on, simply toggle it off. And once you do that, you'll be able to turn off active status on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.